Hello, hi guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Krista from User SDT. Today I would like to introduce our LED panels. Most clients were curious about the LED device, how to produce a module. Yes, today I would like to introduce our LED display briefly for you guys. Actually, the LED display was made by the LED module. So let me briefly introduce our LED module to you guys. So for next one, first one is the outdoor use P10. This is a P10 module. The size is the 320 by 160 millimeter. And the next one is also the same size, but this is the fixed module. We also call it salt module. It can be made the different size and different shape. And the next one is the wholesaling style for indoor use. It's for P2.5, and next one is also for P2.5, and next one is for P5. You can see the difference of each panel. Yes, and okay, so let's have a look how our factory to produce a LED module for you guys.
First part is device automatically brushes the solder paste. Stick IC. Place the interface. Daily machine working. The equipment at high temperature stick the lamp to the panel so that the lamp is firmly printed on the panel. Complete the first step. Equipment removed for cooling. The next step is reflow welding. The equipment makes the lamp be completely sealed on the board. Panel will have a second reinforcement. Wait for the panel to come out after high temperature reinforcement. The temperature of panel is still very high at this time. Test different colors and brightness. Production is complete. Indoor flexible module. After installation, doing aging test 3 days.
Okay, so welcome back, and this is the production process of an LED module. If you got any requirement about an LED display, please leave a comment and connect us. Thank you.